Hi my dear friends, welcome to the next video. Today we are going to learn about prime numbers and composite numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are basically numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So let me take an example. If I look at number 3, 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 times 1 is 3. It has only two factors, that is 1 and 3. Let's move on to another prime number, that is number 5. If I look at number 5, it has two factors. 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5. So it has only 1 and 5. That is number 1 and the number 5 itself as its factors. So these kind of numbers are called as prime numbers. Number 7, again, in this case is a prime number because 1 times 7 is 7 and 7 times 1 is 7. So 1 and 7 are the prime numbers. To remember more, you can also break it down into a little bit of a wider concept. If you look at number 3, number 5, number 7, when you look at the multiplication tables, like other than 1 and the multiplication table of the number itself, they don't fall into any other multiplication tables. So that is also another way of remembering. Now, what about composite numbers? How can you distinguish between composite numbers and prime numbers? So composite numbers have more than one factor. Let me give you an example of a composite number. So if I look at number 4, it is a composite number. Let me tell you why. Because 1 times 4 is 4 and 4 times 1 is also 4, but 4 again falls into another table. Which table is that? That's a multiplication table for 2. 2 times 2 also is 4. So actually the number 4 has 1, 2 and 4 as the factors. So it has more than 2. So it's a composite number. Let's look at another composite number. Let's look at the number 10. So if I look at number 10, 1 times 10 is 10. 10 times 1 is also 10. But 10 falls as another multiplication tables. So let's look at which other table it will fall into. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So the factors for the number 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. So it has 4 factors, right? So because of that, it is a composite number. So basically, prime numbers, that means only 2 factors. Composite numbers means they have more than 2 factors. So that is the concept for today, prime and composite numbers. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.